why I keep my reservoirs on the floor. But before we get to that, now let's talk about reservoir water temperatures and why it's so critical to have your reservoir water temp in the right range. Now I have done tons of research, either online or watching videos on YouTube, to figure out what the right temperature range was for hydroponics. Keeping your plants in the right environment, water, temperature, lighting, nutrients, is critical to having in a hydroponic system. So having a happy medium is critical. You might ask yourself why water temperature is important is because water at a cooler temperature holds more dissolved oxygen in the water. If it gets too hot, your plants will have root rot and die, or if it gets too cold, your plants will slow down and not grow at all. So the ideal water temperature in the summer for me is I try to keep it below 74-75 degrees. I try to keep it below that. And in the winter time, I try to keep the water reservoir temp above 64. So the range between 64 and 74, keep your water reservoir temps in that range and you should be okay. And this is just what I do. I mean, there's many other ways to keep your water cool or your water warm in the winter. People use aquarium water heaters and water chillers in the summer. That's not feasible for me, so I do what I have to do and keep on growing. That's why I keep my reservoirs on the floor in the summer, because the floor, if you put your hand on it, it's cool to the touch. So it does help me keep my water reservoir temperatures 71, 72 degrees when it's over 100 degrees outside. It works great, and that's just what I do. Here in southern Nevada, it does get down into the low 30s. So in the winter time, I'll raise my reservoirs off the floor and run a little space heater in the room. 75 to 80 degrees, which in return keeps the water at about 64-65 degrees. That's what I do in the winter. So I hope this little information about water temperatures will help you be a better grower. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Helps out the channel. Thank you.